super quick and ask you, what do you want? So, bonjour madame, bienvenue, bienvenue à la boulangerie. Bonjour madame, bienvenue à la boulangerie. You will answer, merci beaucoup, ça sent très bon ici. Merci beaucoup, ça sent très bon ici. Thank you very much. It smells very good here. It smells very good here. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Ça sent très bon. Ça sent sentir très bon ici. 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 Sent ici. Ça sent très bon ici. Merci. Tout est frais de ce matin. Merci. Tout est frais de ce matin. The baker will say maybe thank you. Everything is fresh from this morning. Everything is fresh for this from pardon, sorry, this morning. You can also ask, sorry, can I have a fresh baguette? Est-ce que je peux avoir une baguette fraîche? It means like the one that have been taken out of the oven, like the last baguette they cooked. Because maybe you don't know, but to make bread, you have to get up really early to get bread at 7 in the morning at the bakery when the bakery opened. But during the day, they usually cook more baguette, so you can ask for a different baguette, like baguette fraîche, mean fresh baguette, fresh bread, the last they cooked. You can ask it actually, and usually you will take it and it's still warm. You can ask for baguette chaude, warm baguette as well. Baguette chaude. So, merci. Tout est frais de ce matin. Thank you. Everything is fresh from this morning. Everything. Merci. Tout est frais de ce matin. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. I would like a baguette. Please. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. You may know. Je veux. The verb. The verb is I want. Je veux. Je voudrais. I would like. Je veux. It's like an order. So when you are at a bakery, you usually don't want something. You would like something. They have the product, but it's the most polite way to say it. Usually, it's like, I would like a glass of water. Or can I have a glass of water? It's better than saying, I want a glass of water. So, je voudrais is I would like. Je voudrais. I would like. Je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais un croissant. Je voudrais un café. If the person didn't ask you, even if So if you learned at school the I want something, je veux, because usually it's the present tense you learn. You may have learned, sorry. Je veux, tu veux, il veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils veulent. It's better to use je voudrais, tu voudrais, il voudrait, nous voudrions, vous voudriez, il voudrait. It's more polite. It's really like the difference. It really make the difference between a beginner who wants something, like a child who wants something, to someone who really try to learn the language, and someone who would like something. So you would like something. Je voudrais une baguette. Je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Bien sûr, une baguette traditionnelle. Bien sûr, une baguette traditionnelle. Of course, a traditional baguette. Traditional baguette. I have so much to say on this video. Usually French people don't ask for une baguette traditionnelle. They will ask for une baguette tradi. Just they cut half of the word and ask for une baguette tradi or une tradi s'il vous plaît. Just when you remove baguette, une tradi means une baguette traditionnelle. I will write it maybe here. Une baguette traditionnelle. Une baguette tradi. Une tradi. Native French speaker will ask for a tradi. Une tradi. Une traditionnelle. It's really like literature French. People will don't talk as they read. So usually people will ask une tradi. But in this case we'll say bien sûr une baguette traditionnelle. Of course, a traditional baguette. Of course, a traditional baguette. Bien sûr, une baguette traditionnelle. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Yes, please. Yes, please. Très bien. Autre chose. Très bien. Autre chose. Very well. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Autre chose. Again, something really cultural in French. Autre chose. The baker will maybe ask you in another way. Like, he will not say very well, très bien. He will maybe say, il vous fallait autre chose. Il vous fallait autre chose. Ou just autre chose. So, if you remember autre chose, you will remember that he asked you if you need anything else, if you want to buy anything else. So, anything else? Autre chose? Oui. Oui, je voudrais aussi 2 croissants. Oui, je voudrais aussi 2 croissants. Yes, I will also like 2 croissants. Yes, I would also like 2 croissants. Oui, je voudrais aussi 2 croissants. also ask for recommendation. Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? If the baker asks you, boulanger. If the boulanger is baker, boulanger. What would you like? Qu'est-ce que vous voudriez? Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? Qu'est-ce que vous voudriez? Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? What do you recommend? Qu'est-ce que vous recommandez? Le pain au chocolat est très populaire aujourd'hui. Le pain au chocolat est très populaire aujourd'hui. The chocolate pastry is very popular today. Le pain au chocolat est très populaire aujourd'hui. The chocolate pastry is very popular today. I have to say it, but that's why I'm laughing right now. Le pain au chocolat. Le pain au chocolat. It has to name in French. Le pain au chocolat. And in some other area, if I remember well, it's the house of friends. People will say chocolatine, chocolatine, chocolatine. Le pain au chocolat est très populaire aujourd'hui. Le pain au chocolat est très populaire aujourd'hui. Le pain au chocolat. Le pain au chocolat. Chocolatine. The chocolate pastry est très populaire aujourd'hui. Is very popular today. Aujourd'hui. Today. Alors je vais prendre un pain au chocolat aussi. Alors je vais prendre un pain au chocolat aussi. Then I will take one chocolate pastry too. Then I will take one chocolate pastry too. Alors je vais prendre un pain au chocolat aussi. Je voudrais prendre. It's weird to say je voudrais prendre. It's better, I guess, to say je vais prendre un pain au chocolat aussi. But you can say je voudrais. Mais c'est but not je voudrais prendre. Actually, you may say je voudrais un pain au chocolat aussi, or je vais prendre un pain au chocolat aussi. In this case, you can say je vais prendre, I guess, because he asked you and he gave you recommendation. So if you say je vais prendre, je veux, it's like je veux. I guess it's okay because he gave you a recommendation, so you just validate the recommendation he just gave you by saying je vais prendre. But I will take. It's still more polite that I want. So je vais prendre. Je voudrais un pain au chocolat aussi. Je voudrais un pain au chocolat aussi. Je vais prendre un pain au chocolat aussi. If you want to remember just one verb, maybe you should remember je voudrais, je voudrais, je voudrais un verre d'eau, s'il vous plaît, je voudrais un pain au chocolat, s'il vous plaît, je voudrais une baguette, s'il vous plaît. Just remember to add s'il vous plaît, because if you just say je voudrais, it may be a little excellent choice. Excellent choix. Excellent choice. Avez-vous des sandwichs? Usually French people going to the bakery at lunch in Paris because we don't have, how do you say that? Restauration, a canteen, a place to eat with our colleagues, so we usually eat outside or bring our own lunchbox. But you can go to the bakery at lunch and ask, avez-vous des sandwichs? Avez-vous des sandwichs? Do you have sandwiches? Avez-vous des sandwichs? Do you have sandwiches? Avez-vous des sandwichs? Do you have sandwiches? Okay, if you ask this in the bakery, you must be ready. Because even for French, it's super hard to get everything. Because usually the baker is in a rush time when you ask for a sandwich at lunch. So he will tell you very, very, very quickly all the different tastes, all the different ingredients you can have. So it may be hard to get. So as a French, I give you this advice: be already ready, like you already know what you want, which sandwich you want, or an ingredient that you want, by reading the ingredients on the tab. Because if you don't, it will be super hard to order. Usually, I will say it as fast as the baker will say it to you. Oui, nous avons des sandwichs jambon, fromage au poulet. even for French people, it's hard because they tell you that fast because they are in a rush. So, for you to learn, I will tell you more slowly. Oui, nous avons des sandwichs au jambon, au fromage et au poulet. Yes, we have ham, cheese and chicken sandwiches. Yes, we have ham, cheese and chicken sandwiches. If you are dairy intolerant, you must know that. You may know. You have to know. I don't remember. Sorry. That when we say ham and cheese and chicken, you will have butter almost every time on it. Like it's butter and ham, butter and cheese, butter and chicken. And usually you will also have salad and tomatoes on it for the chicken one, but not always on the ham and cheese one. Except if you are going to some bakery, but the basic sandwich is butter and ham, butter and cheese, and chicken with salad, tomato, butter, chicken, vegetables actually. So oui, nous avons des sandwichs au jambon, au fromage et au poulet. Je vais prendre un sandwich au fromage. Je vais prendre un sandwich au fromage. I will take a cheese sandwich. I will take a cheese sandwich. Très bien. Very well. Very well. Very well. There is another things, a cultural things we have in France that he may ask you. It's about formule. Formule, formule, formule. jus d'orange, jus d'orange, orange juice, orange juice, orange juice. And now you know how to ask. You want a coffee? I would like a coffee. Is I may leave you sometimes to remember. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. 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 I would like a coffee, please. Petit ou grand, petit ou grand, small or large, small or large. Un petit café, s'il vous plaît. Un petit café, s'il vous plaît. A small coffee. Un petit café. Un petit café. You must know that a small café, petit café, small coffee, is an espresso in France. Espresso, it's really short coffee. A large one is like a longo. It's small coffee, a small espresso with a bit of water on it. But a large, so un grand café, is different from Americano, from an Americano, because I know that in the USA and in South Korea and in Japan as well, a large is usually an Americano, like hot Americano or ice Americano, a really large one. But in France it's really small, like petit café, large café, café grand, grand café. En fait, in fact, we don't say grand café, we say allongé, because it's not a large one, it's a small that we add some water, and so we allongé. Allongé, it's we add some water to the espresso. So you must know that, because in most of the places in France, except coffee shop like Starbucks and all, if you buy coffee in a bakery, usually it's a small, it's a really like a short one, espresso, and a large, it's allongé, not big, it's allongé, and it's like just a bit of water on top of the espresso. If you want an Americano, so a bit of coffee with a lot of water, you have to ask it like je voudrais un Americano, because usually in the bar, like the bar you can go to play lottery and buy coffee, buy cigarettes and stuff like that. And in the coffee, like in the coffee you can buy at the bakery, if you ask for a big coffee, they will give you an allongé, espresso, allongé, espresso, allongé, americano, americano. So a large coffee is not that big, but usually people don't say petit or grand, they don't say small or large, they say espresso, double espresso, or allongé. Just for you to know, because you will be disappointed if you ask for an Americano and you get allongé. It's much, it's more strong to get allongé than to get Americano. Americano is really not that much of coffee, so you have to know it, because you will be really, ask you for euro, you know you have to pay for something. So you don't have to care if they say cela fera or cela fait, but you must know they will ask you, like they may ask you in two different ways. So cela fait 15 euros, cela fait, cela fait, cela fait 15 euros, 50, 15 euros, 50. That will be 15 euro and 50 cent. 15 euro and 50 cent. Cela fera 15 euros 50. Cela fera 15 euros 50. Je peux payer par carte. Je peux payer par carte. Je peux payer par carte. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Je peux payer par carte. Est-ce que je peux payer par carte? Je peux payer par carte. Oui, bien sûr. Yes, of course. Another cultural thing you have to know about paying by card in France. So, payer par carte, or I'm going to pay by CB. It's carte bleue. Je vais payer par CB. I'm going to. Je vais payer par carte. I'm going to pay by CB. Carte bleue. In some bakery, in the countryside, usually they ask you to pay at least 10 euros to pay by card. So if you just go to buy a baguette, bring some cash with you, because they may tell you they don't take card under 10 euros. So if they take cash, there is two ways for you to pay by cash. You give them the cash and by hand. So here 10 euros. Or some of the bakery have a machine when you put the coin and the cash on it, or the cash on it, because they don't want to touch the cash, because they take the baguette with their hands. They don't want to touch the cash, so sometimes you have a machine in front of the counter. It's a big machine, like big black machine, so you will not miss it. But just for you to know, if you see this machine and you ask to pay by cash, they will tell you like, put the coin on the machine, put the cash on the machine, mettez l'argent dans la machine, mettez l'argent dans la machine, mettez l'argent dans la machine, put the cash on the machine, and they will maybe doing this like in the machine, put the coin in the machine. But if you pay by card, you will not have this problem. Just for you to know, because sometimes some bakery don't take card under a certain amount of money. That's almost not legal, but even for French people, we are pissed when you are going to a shop. You want to buy something, but they tell you have to pay at least 10 euros to buy something, or they will charge you. They don't charge you actually, they just tell you that if you pay by card, they will be charged too much under a certain amount of money. But that's nowadays, that's a lie. I price, maybe 20 because some shops are going to 15 euros at least. So don't be like, don't get yourself I don't know how to say that, but like take cash, at least 20 euros with you and your card. So, merci beaucoup pour votre accueil. Merci beaucoup pour votre accueil. Thank you so much for your welcome. Thank you so much for your welcome. Avec plaisir, avec plaisir. Bonne journée. My pleasure. Have a nice day. Avec plaisir. Bonne journée. Avec plaisir. Bonne journée. Avec plaisir. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Au revoir. Bonne journée. Au revoir. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Au revoir et à bientôt. Goodbye and see you soon. Goodbye and see you soon. Au revoir. Au revoir. Et à bientôt. Et à bientôt. Au revoir et à bientôt. So that's the end of this video. If you watch it and if you like it, tell me if you prefer. Like I can just read like the dialogue that I wrote, or if you like the fact that I adding some cultural point on the video, because I feel like I am learning a new language as well, and I feel like getting the cultural point of view help me to learn the language actually. So now after this video, please tell me if you watch it until now, until the end. So until now, until the end. My English is not perfect, but I'm trying my best to give you all the comments and all the cultural point for you to have your best experience if you are coming to France or if you want to learn French. But for you to remember one word today, it's really like je voudrais, I want, je veux, I would like, je voudrais. It's really a word, a way to be polite, and this is a way you will make the difference between a kid who is speaking in French and an adult. It really make a difference of level between I want, I would like, je veux, I would like, je voudrais something, I would like something, je voudrais quelque chose, je voudrais une baguette, je voudrais un croissant, je voudrais un café. So this is a verb you must remember now. You have to remember after this video. Je voudrais. The other things is expresso, petit, and allongé, expresso allongé, americano, americano. So usually in France we drink espresso or allongé. This is another cultural point you need to remember. And for bakery, the most common one is une baguette traditionnelle. rice cooked, but it's too much for today. So just remember this. Je voudrais. I would like. Je veux. I want. Je voudrais. Je veux. Je veux. Je voudrais. Expresso. Allongé. Expresso. Allongé. And une baguette tradition. Une baguette tradie. Une tradie. And if you ask for une tradie, you will sound French. For sure.